Hello friends, welcome to MPH Developers. Located exactly 1 kilometer from ORR exit number 3, walkable distance from Mumbai-Hyderabad highway, 15 minutes to Lingampally railway station, 40 minutes drive to RJ airport, 20 minutes drive to financial district, prime location at HMDA approved layout, 5 minutes to Patancheru, connecting all major schools and colleges like IIT and Geetham University. We have our mega project, MPH Twin Birds. It's a semi-gated community, total 60 units comprising 2 similar towers, available in 2 BHK configuration, situated in prime location. Thank you, stay tuned.